Alright everybody, so this is an update where I am in life. I have my house, I have my garage, I have my dream car in my garage. I finally got the Audi A4 running. I'm gonna get this project fixed this year because this is a whole other story. And hey, I mean, from $8 an hour to over six figures, I'm doing pretty good. I got a lot of things I'm taking care of here. I got a couple projects I want to just cash out, like this 6-speed manual Porsche Cayenne SUV. And I like to get the ball rolling on this UR Quattro this year, since I have all the space. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. A lot of sacrifices have been made. A lot of headaches. Obviously, like, I had help in between, but I mostly did everything myself. So like, I'm not necessarily self-made. I am modern day self-made, where I had to get loans, I had to get credit and this and that, I had to ask for help. But nothing's free in life because the amount of work I've had to do, and like my hands are dirty, so I'm not necessarily like, nothing was a clean route for me. This was a very dirty and very hard route to achieve. I can finally enjoy some peace in my land. And where's my Audi engine? Yeah, this is the A4 engine. I'm gonna start building up to 700 horsepower. And look, I have a 911 engine that I paid $500 for. It's just a bunch of material, a bunch of money. It doesn't really mean much to me. It's more about following my passions and escaping this rat race. So you're gonna see a lot of content being pumped out by the end of summer, especially with the Porsche and the Audi, and the two Audis. And yeah, I hope to revive my channel from the dead, and see you guys in the next video.